Hello, this is Prescott from Designs by Prescott, and today we're going to be talking about how to live trace in Illustrator. So I have everything clearly marked out in the video. I'm just going to go over some of the pros and cons. So this works best if you need to take a PNG image that's black and white. So it's very quick. It doesn't have any time to render since it's just two colors. So make sure you go in and you have to rasterize everything so that when you trace it, it can cut out the background. So now that after it's been traced, you have to expand it so that it fills it into vectors. I always expand twice just in case, and then you have to ungroup. And after this, you have to ungroup the background and then the actual little objects inside of it. So don't forget the shapes in the R, the A, and other enclosing letters that you have to delete those so that they're see-through. And that's about it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found the information helpful and if you enjoy the content from this channel. I upload weekly with content from Procreate, Illustrator, and sometimes XD. You have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!